Hey everyone! If you want to turn your data into a visual dashboard in record time, Notion's 2026 update introduced a direct slash command that makes adding charts faster than ever. Forget clicking through view menus. Today, I'm showing you how to use the simple slash chart command to build beautiful graphs in seconds. Let's get to the dashboard. First, head to any empty line on your Notion page. Type / followed by the word chart / chart. You'll see a new block type pop up in the suggestions with a bar graph icon. Hit enter and Notion will place a placeholder chart block on your page. This is your starting point, and it's much faster than manually adding a new view to a database. Once the block appears, a window will pop up asking you to select a data source. This is where you pick the database you want to visualize. You can search for any existing database in your workspace, whether it's a budget tracker, a workout log, or project tasks. Once you click your source, Notion will pull in the data and create a basic bar chart automatically. Now, look at the sidebar that opened on the right. Under the Data tab, you need to tell Notion what the chart actually represents. For your horizontal axis, choose a property like status or category. For your vertical axis, you can choose to count the number of pages or sum up a number property. This is the logic of your chart, and it updates in real time as you toggle between options. At the top of that same sidebar, you can swap between different chart types. If a bar chart doesn't fit your data, try a line chart for trends or a donut chart for percentages. Each style has its own specific options. For example, in a bar chart, you can choose to stack your data to show multiple layers of information in a single column. This is how you make your data truly easy to read at a glance. Finally, switch over to the Style tab. Here, you can pick a color palette that fits your aesthetic, whether you want vibrant colors or something more subtle to match Notion's dark mode. You can also toggle the legend on or off and add data labels so the exact numbers are visible without having to hover. Once you're happy, just click away and your live interactive chart is ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.